Fall is just around the corner. And while we're excited about cozy sweaters, pumpkin spice, and colorful leaves, it's also the perfect time to get our homes ready for the cooler weather. Today, I'm going to share 10 simple things you can do to prepare your home for fall. And I'll even show you a few helpful products you can grab on Amazon to make the job easier. Tip 1. Clean the gutters. Leaves and debris can clog them, leading to water damage when fall rains hit. A simple tool like this gutter cleaning wand makes the job so much easier. Tip 2. Check your roof. Look for missing shingles or damage that could cause leaks. Catching issues now is way cheaper than repairing water damage later. Tip 3. Seal drafts and windows. Fall breezes are great outside, but not in your living room. Use weather stripping tape or a draft stopper, both available on Amazon, to seal windows and doors. You'll keep warm air in and your heating bill down. Tip 4. Service your heating system. Have your furnace or heating system checked before you actually need it. Change filters and make sure everything's running smoothly. If you use portable space heaters, test them now. Tip 5. Fireplace prep. If you've got a fireplace, clean it out and stock up on firewood. I recommend a fireplace tool set or even a firewood rack from Amazon to keep things organized and safe. Tip 6. Reverse ceiling fans. Here's a quick trick. Reverse your ceiling fan direction. Set it to rotate clockwise on low speed so it pushes warm air down into the room. Tip 7. Protect outdoor furniture. Don't forget the patio. Cover or store outdoor furniture to protect it from rain and frost. You can find waterproof furniture covers on Amazon that will extend the life of your set. Tip 8. Check smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Since fall means more heating in fireplaces, it's also a great time to test your smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. Replace batteries, and if you need new ones, Amazon has affordable combo detector units. Tip 9. Prep the yard. Rake those leaves, trim back bushes, and fertilize your lawn so it comes back strong in the spring. A leaf blower/vacuum combo on Amazon can make the job a whole lot faster. Tip 10. Add cozy touches. Finally, make your home cozy. Think throw blankets, warm lighting, and scented candles. Something as simple as LED flameless candles can add that fall vibe without any fire risk. And that's it. 10 easy ways to get your home ready for fall weather. Which one of these are you tackling first? Let me know in the comments. I'll also drop links to the Amazon products I mentioned down below so you can check them out. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more home and lifestyle tips, and I'll see you in the next video.